Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back everyone to SMJ-Tech channel. And today we'll be learning about how to bookmark in your Word document. So a lot of people get confused about bookmarks and watermarks. I have created a video related to watermarks separately, which you can see in the upper icon, which will show you or guide you to the watermark video. Bookmark is slightly different than watermark. Watermark basically adds a branding to your document, whereas a bookmark adds a reference to your document. So let's start off. Basically, if I want to jump to a location in a document, or I want to remember a reference in a document where I want to locate when I read back the document again, then bookmark is usually used. So let's start off. Over here we have our document. Let me just zoom it in so you guys can see. So today we'll be learning about how to add a bookmark to your document, how to locate it, and eventually how to delete it if you want to. So over here I've created a plain document which has some text in it, and I want to start bookmark, place a bookmark in here. So let me start off with the first place. First I go to the location where I want to add a bookmark. I've just added these wordings so it's easier for everyone to understand. I'll go to the insert tab, and there's a bookmark icon over here. I click on this and it immediately opens a dialog box. It's asking me, since it doesn't have any pre-existing bookmarks in the document, otherwise they would have been listed. So let me just write down a name. One important thing to remember while naming your bookmarks is that it requires a letter or a word without any spaces. So if you add a space to your bookmark name, it won't allow you to add the bookmark. So please make sure that your bookmark don't have any spaces. So here I go. Now the bookmark has been added. If I want to see it, I will again go to the insert tab on the bookmark icon, and I can now see it. So let's see, how can I add another one? I'll go over to the second location. Okay, I want to add another bookmark, let's say over here. So again, on the insert tab on the bookmark icon, it's showing me the old bookmark. I'll rename and I'll name a new bookmark name. Before adding it, you can sort out your list that you can see over in the larger box, either by your alphabetical name or the location. The better way is to sort them through location, so you know which one is coming first and which one is coming after that one. And there's another checkbox over here, the hidden bookmarks. This is basically the ones that MS Word uses for itself. So you might have noticed that if you're going through a document and you close it afterwards, then whenever you go back to the document, MS Word gives you an option to start off from the place where you left off. So that's a bookmark that Word automatically saves internally. So those can be displayed as well if you select this hidden bookmarks. Otherwise, by default, it's not shown. So let me add the second bookmark. This has been added, and I also add a third bookmark on my third page. And over here in the insert tab, bookmark icon, I'll name it as bookmark 3. You can name them as per your requirement, whichever is easier for you to cross-reference in the future. So we've done the first part of our video where we have added 3 bookmarks in our document. Now let's see, I want to go to bookmark number 2 in my document. So I'll go to bookmark 2, and over here I'll select go to, and it will immediately take me to the location of second bookmark in my document. So that's how you can locate and go to your bookmarks that you have created. And let's also see if what I have to do if I want to remove a bookmark from my list. So I again go to the Insert tab on the bookmark icon, and let's say I want to remove bookmark number 1. So I select the bookmark that I want to delete and select the delete button. So it is removed. To cross check, you can see that now only 2 bookmarks are being shown in your document. So this was a brief video for today where we went through how to, how bookmarks work in MS Word. How you can add bookmarks, how can you locate and go to your bookmark locations, and how you can delete those bookmarks if you require. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please do click on the like button and keep subscribed to the channel so you keep learning tips and tricks related to MS Words. Until our next video, please take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.